5 things that you need to take into consideration when you're engaging with a cleaning contractor. Whether you're a property manager, facilities manager, office manager, or a business owner with a commercial premises, I'm going to give you 5 takeaways today that you need to take into consideration when engaging with said cleaning contractor. Number 1 is locality. How close is your cleaning contractor located to your commercial premises? It's no good your cleaning contractor being 2 hours away when you have staff not turning up or they need products or management support. Point number 2 is management. Is your contractor adequately set up to proactively manage your account? Do they have one service manager that manages 70 accounts and they're only going to be able to visit your contract on a reactive basis? Or do they have a proactive management structure where they're readily available to carry out staff training, quality audits, and proactively manage your account on a daily basis? Point number 3 is accreditations. It's all well and good your contractor telling you how fantastic they are, but are they externally accredited so that you have some external proof that what they say they can deliver, they can? Examples of this can be ISO 9001, which is your quality management system, ISO 14001, which is your environmental management system, and something along the lines of Safe Contractor to prove your contractor is working safely. Point number 4 is staff training. It is important, even in such an unskilled job as cleaning, that your cleaning operatives that are working on your account are adequately trained. So please do ask your contractor what training they have in place for both new starters and training records for people that have worked in their business already. Last but not least, point number 5 is cost. If you have to get free cleaning quotes and your natural company's inclination is to go for the lowest cost, then you have got this exercise totally wrong. Please consider the points I've made 1 to 4, because if you're going with the cheapest cost, then points 1 to 4 are not going to be there, and that's going to give you a poor service. I hope you found these 5 points informative and useful when you're considering your next cleaning contractor.